Hey everybody, it's Carol. I want to show you what I did to my hair. You might want to do it too. So I told you that I straightened my hair with this product and it made it very dry. What I usually do is wait until my hair gets too long and then I just straighten the 2 inches on the bottom. In case it gets really dry, I can cut it right off. But this time I straightened the whole from mid-shaft to the end. So I told you about this product, which is amazing, and I told you about the L'Oreal, which is super amazing. That is like 10-star. That is real results. Unbelievable. But I want to tell you about an amazing thing that I did to my hair that's you have in your refrigerator. I'm going to show you my hair. It's soft, it's silky, and I want to tell you what I did. I mixed up 2 egg yolks, no whites, 2 egg yolks. You know the whites reverse your keratin treatment, which you don't want. But I did 2 yolks plus extra virgin olive oil. And I mixed it up. And I just smeared it all over my head. I clipped it with my new clip. Flat, it's perfect. I clipped it with this clip, clipped it all up, and put a turby towel over it. So, this is what I did. I took 2 eggs, cracked them both, I separated the white from the yolk, and then I added the olive oil. I use extra virgin olive oil from Trader Joe's, my favorite. Then I mixed. And then I went into the bathroom and I started putting it on my head. Kind of messy doing it. I don't know an easy way to put it on. Pour it. You could pour it on top of your head, but I just took some slimy handfuls and just smushed it on my head. Now, the silly thing that I did while I had the egg on my head, I dyed my roots. I dyed my roots while the egg was on my head. Oh, I had to. I couldn't stand looking at it. And it came out great. I spent the whole day like that, and I slept with it that night. The next day, my hair was like stiff as a board. It was, when I took the towel off and I took the clip out, it still stayed up. It was like, it was so stiff and so hard. My hair was so hard. So then I got in the shower and I rinsed it off, I washed it off, I conditioned my hair, and then I did the L'Oreal. And my hair, I didn't even do the 10 yet, but it feels heavenly. It feels heavenly. It's been feeling really dry since I used this. So I'm not approving this. It does work to a point, but it has its drawbacks. But my hair feels like smooth as silk. Smooth as silk. Every time I overdo it with my hair, like if I put too many highlights, if I use bleach, then I do my magic egg treatment. Try it. Try it tonight. Put scrambled yolk and olive oil on your head. I don't know what the least amount of time you could do it, but I always do it for hours, at least 10 hours. But you could do it less. But I would just do it overnight, you know, if you have a little cap to wear. It's amazing what it does for your hair. It's amazing. I can't get over it. I can't get over it. So, you know, I've been trying all different things because I use the straightener. So the egg and olive oil are perfection. Okay, perfection. And this little clip I got off TikTok, 4 of them. I'm sure you could find them in your drugstore. But when you go to rest or anything, or against the car, in the car against the headrest, you can rest your head because it's smooth. It's not sticking out. I had to come on and tell you about that. So 2 scrambled eggs, or 3, or 1, depends how much hair you have, and olive oil. And just leave it on your head. And your hair just sucks it all in. And then my absolute favorite, jojoba oil, is another hair tip. And you just put it on your ends. And it doesn't make your hair dirty like Moroccan oil. Moroccan oil makes my hair feel dirty. But I put this on, and it's going to soak in. You won't even see it in a little bit. You won't even see it. It's just going to soak it in and make it less frizzy. But this is amazing. This is amazing. The egg is the main thing. And this I put on my hair every day. And I put it on my face. This is the closest serum that replicates your own oils in your skin. This is cold pressed and unrefined by Kleganic, and I will put a link down below for this, because this is the best. I go through so many bottles of this because I'm always using it as a moisturizer and as a hair protectant, a hair defrizzer. And you know, as the weather gets hotter, my hair gets bigger. I hate it big. I want it like smooth and just sleek. I want it smooth and sleek. So this, and the eggs. Have a great week. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for being here. Know that you are so appreciated. I look forward to doing this so I can connect with you. Love you all.